You are not the first one to benefit from Eficode Future Lab. Our customers working on cutting-edge 5G technology have already adopted it successfully. As a new technology, 5G offers tremendous possibilities for communication service providers and enterprises. Yet, one of the biggest challenges in monetizing 5G is to identify the use cases to invest in and to find the right innovation partners. With Eficode Future Lab, we bring 5G and CSP industry players together to innovate, co-create, and to validate new use cases quickly. This supports prioritization, investment decisions, and risk mitigation.
With experience, we know that innovating new services bring true customer value and competitive edge. We'd like you to benefit from this concept too. So get in touch and we'll start creating your future today.